Tarzan, what are you doing?
Why am I so different?
Because you're covered with mud, that's why.
No! Kerchak said I didn't belong
Close
in
your
the...
mouth.
Kerchak said I don't belong in the family.
Never mind what Kerchak said. Now, hold still.
Look at me!
I am Tarzan. And do you know what I see? I see 2 eyes, like mine, and a nose somewhere. Ah, here. 2 ears. And let's see, what else?
2 hands?
That's right. Close your eyes. Now forget what you see. What do you feel?
My heart.
Come here.
Your heart.
See? We're exactly the same. Kerchak just can't see that.
I'll make them see it. I'll be the best ape ever.
Oh, I bet you will.
Here, take the controls for a second. What's going on up there?
Well, unfortunately, my piloting skills are, shall we say, slightly underdeveloped.
Yeah, I think we can definitely agree on that.